If OneDrive is showing an error message and you want to fix it fast, this video will walk you through the most effective steps in order. We'll start with the easiest checks first, then move into the stronger reset options if needed. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes, just like this. First, look at the OneDrive icon on your Windows taskbar or Mac menu bar. This little cloud icon often tells you exactly what's wrong. Click it and check for any sync problems, warning messages, or error codes. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as a failed upload, a paused sync, or a file name that OneDrive doesn't like. Reading the message carefully can save you a lot of time before trying anything else. Next, restart the OneDrive app. On Windows, right-click the OneDrive icon in the notification area, then open Help and Settings or the gear icon and choose Quit OneDrive. After that, press the Windows key, type OneDrive, and open it again from the Start menu. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and restore syncing without changing any of your files. If the error is still there, try unlinking and relinking your PC. Click the OneDrive cloud icon again, go to Help and Settings, then open Settings. Under the Account tab, choose Unlink this PC. Don't worry, this does not delete your cloud files. It just disconnects your computer from the account. After that, sign back in when prompted and let OneDrive reconnect your folders. This often fixes stubborn account and sync problems. Now check your storage. If the message says your storage is full, sign into your Microsoft OneDrive account in a browser and review your available space. Empty your online recycle bin as well, because deleted files can still take up storage until the bin is cleared. If you're close to the limit, removing old files or upgrading storage may be necessary before sync will work again. If you're on Windows and the issue still isn't fixed, do a hard reset of OneDrive. Press Win+R to open the Run box. Then copy and paste this command exactly and press Enter. See Program Files Microsoft OneDrive OneDrive.exe/reset. Wait about a minute after running it, then manually reopen OneDrive from the Start menu if it doesn't start by itself. This reset can repair deeper sync issues and refresh the app completely. Once OneDrive reopens, give it a little time to rescan your files and reconnect your folders. Depending on how many files you have, syncing may take a few minutes. Check the cloud icon again to confirm the error is gone, and uploads are moving normally. So to recap, start by checking the exact error message, restart OneDrive, unlink and relink your PC, make sure you have enough storage, and finally use the Windows Reset command if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. If this helped you fix your OneDrive error message, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.